rafting again. Rafting for the second time. And then we're going to ride some quads.
A man, a Marie, the Portuguese landlady. Don't be confused, I'm not like Sadie. Welcome to my home.
Oh, there's the Ayung River.
I wash all the clothes. Don't leave the light on, there's a 30-second limit. Don't use the cupboard, I keep the heater in it.
What's next on the agenda, Ira?
I forget, we've got a few runs on ATVs.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
We're going to get in the mud.
Yeah.
We're going to get dirty.
That's why I left my
Crazy dirty.
wet clothes on the rafting. It's not cold. They can get really dirty. And I've got some nice,
wash off when it's on your skin.
yeah, I've got some nice dry clothes, haven't we? How did you enjoy the rafting?
Oh, I like it. Just as good as last time, if not better.
Yeah, more water, eh? Seems to be rougher.
Yeah.
A lot more rapids.
I'm pretty sure the attractions stay the same. But the natural
Yeah, my gumboots.
attraction.
My gumboots are full of water.
That's my house here. That's my house here. I wash all the clothes.
Oh, come on, go. It's so rough.
Well, I killed my bike, giving it a hard time, so now I've got another one. Here comes the rest of them here. That's our team. It's our team from San Francisco, these guys. Here comes Ira. There's Ira.
We can't have that.